In our last video, we discussed creating a new project with video, opening a video, dragging and dropping it into the project. We discussed the stage, also the timeline, and we showed a little bit on creating the layers within the stage, splicing a video layer, and then creating a filter for part of the video, which at the beginning of this video we created the filter for the look, and then we also created the transition, the crossfade from the altered video to the normal video. We discussed how you could scrub backwards and forwards to view the video. You can also click the play button. The scissors are done for clipping a video, and then you have the box for selecting transitions, which include fade with color, fade with white, fade with black, crossfade, and just a regular fade out or fade in, depending on what you're doing. We also showed that you could increase or decrease the size of the video by dragging on the end. And the other things about the video, we went over a little bit for the information on the video, for the document. And you can also, we could go here and clip this video again. Then with the layers palette, you can create a new layer. You can use the add media group to add media to the project. I'll bring up the dialog screen. You can add more videos or whatever. And with this, we'll add this grungy background. And it's going to add it on to the end. And with the add video group, you can create a new group layer on top of what you already have. And with the grunge video, we can add that on here. And just like with everything else in Photoshop, you can adjust the blending modes to where you'll see some of the stuff behind it. You could do multiply, in which you'll see the video, but it'll have that grungy background layer behind it. You'll see some movement there in the background with the lights and the darks. You could also put it on overlap, which will also allow you to see the video. And you can play around with the different blending modes to get precisely what it is that you want by blending one video to another video. And with Photoshop, it's so easy because you can just add that layer on top, put a video up there, or an effect, or whatever you're trying to do, and blend them together. And then also with this top layer, you can decrease the size of that so it will not be so long. So just a portion of the video will be affected by it, and then when it hits, you'll see it going, then it'll end. With the fade, you can create a fade in by dragging that to the beginning. You can also create a fade out, in which case you'll have the video effect fade in, then fade away. And that is the video editing, where you're adding multiple layers, multiple videos, adjusting blending modes, and we'll finish up in the next video.